Thomas had an important and responsible job to do. He was pulling the quarry train. Earlier, he had handed over his branch line passenger duties to Percy. Please look after Annie and Clarabelle today for me. Don't worry, I will. Thanks. You take care today. Thomas was taking the workmen and their tools to the quarry, and he was also pulling a van packed full of high explosives. The explosives van was very old and should have been replaced many years ago. No one had seen that in one place the roof had completely rusted through. Sparks were flying from Thomas's funnel as he pulled the heavy train, and one of them fell straight through the rusty hole. Thomas's fireman looked back and was horrified by what he saw. There's smoke coming out of the explosive van. I'm sure it's going to blow. There's a siding just up the line. We'll dump the van there. I just hope there's time. That evening, Thomas was telling the rest of the engines what had happened. And then it blew up. There was nothing left of it. In spite of his boasting to the other engines, Thomas thought he was in deep trouble, as it was his sparks that caused the explosion. But Sir Topham Hatt was smiling. Well done, Thomas. Your quick action saved the day. It wasn't your fault at all. That van should have been scrapped a long time ago. The other engines all cheered. And Thomas, the hero of the day, glowed with pride.